Let's practice Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose. It's also known as cobbler's pose. So you may wish to have a strap handy, and depending on your hip and back flexibility, you may also wish to have a blanket or a bolster close by. So we'll start seated with the feet flat on the floor, and then you'll let the knees open out to the sides. And this is a challenging position for you. Try coming up onto a bolster or a blanket. And see if that helps. So the palms of the feet are resting together just like the palms of the hands rest together in Anjali Mudra. Okay. If it's challenging for you to reach the feet, which it is for many people, you can take a strap just around the bottoms of your feet and hold on there. Okay. So pressing the feet into each other helps to allow the knees to descend toward the floor. So we're pressing the bottoms of the feet energetically toward one another, and pressing the outside edge of the feet more than the inside edge. So it's almost like the arches of your feet are moving away from each other as the knife edge of your feet are pressing in. So you can use the strap here to help remember to lengthen the spine, drawing the shoulders back and down, lifting through the crown of the head as you press the outer edges of the feet in and lower the knees toward the floor. If you're not using a strap, you may wish to take hold of the feet and then gently coaxing them open as though you're opening a book. Spread the toes apart. Inhale, exhale, pull your belly button up and in. Inhale, let your belly inflate here. And exhale, draw the navel in and up. As you soften your face, soften your shoulders. To come out of the pose, gently release your grip with your hands and use your hands to help lift the knees together. Lean back as you draw the knees to each other. And then place your hands behind you, and you can just rock the knees from side to side. This internal rotation of the thighs as this outer thigh comes in is something that we don't get a ton of in yoga, so it's nice to do this movement, trying to keep your hips on the floor. So that was Baddha Konasana, bound angle pose, also known as cobbler's pose. Namaste.